Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you could list your business on Google. So this is Google My Business profile. So all you need to do is to open your browser on Chrome and search on Google My Business. Alright, so when this is up, you scroll down and click on Google Business Profile. So you wait for that to load up. Then you're going to navigate to the menu button at the top left corner where you would need to sign in. All right, so if you already have profiles, so they're all going to show here. So what you need to do is to click on that button at the bottom right corner and click on add a business. All right, so you're going to click on that. The next step is to click on the add your business to Google, or you could search for your business name. Then if it's available, you could claim it, or if it's still unavailable, you could still click on the create a business with this name. So it's going to take you to this part where you would fill in the remaining information. So your business category, we're going to use acupuncture clinic for this one. So I'm going to share a secret on how to effectively create the Google My Business profile without having any issue with verification. Okay, so you just follow the instructions on the screen or your preference. Okay, so now is the time to fill in the address. Okay, so I'm filling for this business for one of our clients at Great. All right, so while this is going on, let me share something with you. The best way to set up your Google My Business profile is to do it at your business location. So it gets easier for you to get verified so that you wouldn't need a verification code to be sent to your address, because we know that usually doesn't come. So the best way to set this up is at your business location so that you automatically use your current location in setting up the profile. Okay. So we could leave this. You could come back to this anytime you want. Okay, now it's time to fill in your phone number to get the verification code. So you input your phone number at this part. Okay, they're gonna send you a verification code for the phone number. Then you also input your website. So don't forget, the best place to do this is at your business location. Don't forget this. Okay, so let's go for text. All right, so our code was accepted. So next is to set up your opening hours. So you could do this depending on what you operate with here. So I'm turning on accept messages on my Google My Business profile. Another name for the Google My Business profile is local listing or local directory. Yeah, so we also have this feature on Yahoo and also on Bing. Yeah, so you could specifically Bing. Yeah, so you could actually do that. Okay, this is for description. We're done. Okay, we're gonna skip this for now. Okay, so you click on continue. So why we didn't have any issues here is that we did this at the business location. So you see, our business was verified automatically. So this is something amazing. So I've shared you the secret in getting your Google My Business verified and fully functional without any stress. All right, do well to subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Bye.